go and get shot.
Whoa, spider web.
More tattoo.
Which tattoo are you doing next?
This one.
What is it?
Spider. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we eat breakfast. I wonder what it is. Spider egg.
Good. Next up, after breakfast, what are we gonna do? Craft.
Craft. And after that craft, we're going to do next.
Pool party.
We'll play a pool party.
A spider pool party, yep.
I forgot.
What did we forget?
School.
School, yep. We had to do school first before our pool party, right? Yeah. S, very good. S is for
Spider.
spider. Spider starts with the letter S. Okay, so here's your uppercase S. Go ahead and trace your uppercase S.
That looks like a 5.
Kind of. Okay, very good. Woo, spider. That's your sticker for completing your schoolwork.
Oh, yeah.
Look what it is, spider web.
That's a good spider.
Yeah. But what color is your plate?
White.
And what color do we want to make it? Color.
Black.
How many legs does the spider have?
8.
Does your spider have? Can you count them?
8.
Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made a spider web!
You made a spider web? Yeah, that's good. So we're gonna make bowls for dinner tonight, and we're gonna make them into spider bowls. Okay? And everyone can get a spider bowl that Lila made. How are we gonna turn it into a spider? What do we need to give it? If this is your spider, what does he need?
3 legs.
How many legs does the spider have?
8.
So we need to give him how many legs?
8.
So we're gonna glue on 8 legs and 2 eyeballs. Got your bathing suit on? Get ready to have our spider pool party. A spooky spider swim. What is it?
Spider.
Spider lunch.
Wow! Is this even nice?
Yes, they're candies.
Lila is just now waking up from her nap because she was so tired from swimming in the pool from our little spider spooky pool party. But we are about to head over to Mimi's to eat some dinner, some spooky spider dinner, and our spider bowls that she made. And then tonight we're heading down to downtown Kissimmee for an event. It's called Blue on Broadway, but that'll be on a different vlog. So we're gonna end our spider day here, well, after dinner, and then we'll see you in the next video.
Time to get ready.
Where are we going tonight?
We're going to get
Blue on Broadway. Yeah, going to get trick or treat. All right, let's do your nose. Show me your eyes. Close your eyes to see all the shimmers. Ooh, mascaras.
Ruby so happy and he'll pick me a toy. Is that feel like a toy?
She'll think you're a toy.
Yeah.
Like her jack-o'-lantern toy.
Yeah, and then I go to the jack-o'-lantern.
Okay. Spider Day is officially complete and we are ready to go on Blue on Broadway. If you want to see that vlog, go check it out because we're heading there now. It's going to be so much fun. Say keep it spooky.
Keep it spooky, bye! Let's see out. So the itsy bitsy buyer came up to my shoulder. Knife model. Happy Halloween! Make sure you subscribe our channel for Halloween night. Keep it spooky. Bye.